Hi, this is Alan Cowgill, and you can see that I'm saving a space for you for the upcoming workshop this month. Look, we know there's 4 parts of a real estate deal at the very top level. Number 1 is you got to find a property that makes sense. Number 2 is it's funding, and I'm right at the pinnacle of that. Number 3 is you got to fix the property up, enhance the value. And number 4 is we either keep it or sell it. Well, if you can't get by this second item, you are dead in this business. Okay, so you got to be at this event because this is one of the most important things you have when it comes to real estate. Look, just in the first 90 minutes, I'll show you where private money lenders find the money to loan to you, dealing with the fear monster. In fact, a private lender needs you worse than you need them, and I'll prove that to you. On outlining your program, I'm going to give you a step-by-step program on what you need to use. I'll obviously give you tons and tons of private lender insights. And this training is for commercial or residential folks. Look, and a lot more. Let me share with you about one of the programs I brought to this business. I call it the Path to Wealth. It's how to take a potential private lender all the way down to the closing table. What to say, what not to say, what to give them. Right here at the top, I have a script that I'll share with you on Saturday on what to say to a private lender. They either say yes or tell me more. If it's telling me more, then we're down here on another script on explaining a little bit about what you do. And then, what do? Well, we're going to cover the rest of the path to wealth. You'll find out. You need to show up to find out. Just like a sporting event, you need a rule book. And I'll teach you the rule book for your state. What are the compliance rules? I'm not an attorney. I don't give legal advice, but I can teach it. And I'm sure you'd rather have scripts that are crafted to help move the lender closer to loaning you money. And you've got your buying steps of properties out of order, and you probably don't know it. I'll show you what is going on and how to fix it. Look, it's Saturday, January 22nd, 9 to 5. Show up. You're going to love it. You can check it out right on your calendar of your own website. Around there you see the arrow at the 27th. So you want to do that. Saturday, January 27th from 9 to 5. I look forward to seeing you. This is going to rock. To your wealth.